A coastal flood warning is in effect until 11:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the Los Angeles County coast. At 10:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the combination of very high tides and large swells will continue to produce moderate to significant coastal flooding. Hazard: coastal flooding. Source: high astronomical tides and large west-northwest swell. Impact: significant overflow of ocean water onto low-lying beaches, parking lots, and coastal walkways is imminent. Inundation of shoreline buildings and vehicles is possible. Beach erosion will occur. Locations impacted include Santa Monica Venice Beach, Malibu El Segundo, Manhattan Beach, Hermosa Beach Redondo Beach, Marina del Rey Palos Verdes Peninsula. Precautionary preparedness actions. This is a life-threatening situation. Waves and high tides can overwash roads and shoreline structures. Move away from the immediate coastline and seek higher ground. Do not attempt to drive or walk through flooded areas. Never underestimate the power of ocean surf and tides. If you are in a low-lying area, move to a safe location and secure any belongings. Coastal flood warning remains in effect until 11:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the Los Angeles County coast.